Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline. If you're new here, thank you for clicking this video. I hope you decide to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you. I appreciate it. So today's video, if you couldn't tell, is going to be me unboxing my Dr. Martens. I wanted these shoes for so long. Like, I can remember being in my sophomore year of high school wanting them, and I finally caved in and got them. I'm so excited. This video basically is going to be an unboxing, my first opinion, a try on, and just my first initial thoughts about the product. And yeah, so if you want to see me unbox my Dr. Martens, keep watching. All right, so here is the box that it came in. I ordered them from Nordstrom because everywhere was sold out. But here it is. Comes with the return label in case you have to. Free shipping and returns with Nordstrom. Love them. Okay. Here they are. That was a thumbnail. All right. Ooh. Okay, so right off the rip, I love that each shoe is individually wrapped. So cute. So these are the style that I got. Their platform, obviously, these are called the Jadon, polished smooth, and black, Avi, and never mind. What I was gonna say is I'm thinking of swapping the laces out and putting yellow ones in. But these are them. They're really cool looking. I like them a lot. And what I love even more is that they have a zipper, so I don't have to necessarily struggle with unlacing and lacing to get them on. All right, so it comes with a lot of paper inside. These are stiff as hell, so yay. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just stretching the boot from the tongue. And then I make this look nice, not so all over the place. Cute. All right, let me do the other one. All right, we're trying them on. What was that? That was hard. It hurt my foot. Okay, one thing I will say right off the bat is these boots is hard as hell. Okay, so these are the boots. I'm still in frame. Okay, so I really just wanted to include a video of how they looked like from my phone. Pretty cute. Okay, like, what you was saying? What you was saying? What you was saying? First, like right off the back, impressions on the boots are I love them. I think they're super cute. They're kind of like, they're one of my styles because I feel like as a person I embody a lot of styles, but it's definitely like, I don't know, it kind of speaks to my younger child. It just speaks to my inner childlike self that I don't really care to further explain, but I love them. Another thing is they're really hard. Like, they're definitely going to take some breaking into. I wouldn't suggest wearing them for the first time going out. Like, and by going out, I mean, like, you know, where you're going to be doing a good amount of walking, or if you think you're going to be dancing. Like, I wouldn't suggest anything like that. And also another thing to take note of is the back of the boot. It didn't rub on the back of my ankles because I got, you know, a good size, and I had on tall socks with them. But that's what I would suggest, wearing tall socks, because I watched a couple of reviews and I can see how by wearing a footy maybe before they're broken in would cause like dry burn on the back of your ankle. But otherwise, like I said, I love them. The yellow stitching goes crazy. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. It pretty much is my favorite color, so I love that. And I love this little detail on the tag. It says airwear with soles bouncing. Like, all right, cool. Or I think with bouncing soles sounds better, but it says with soles bouncing. So yeah, this is my review on my new Dr. Martens Jadons. I'll have them tagged below if you are interested. They were a pretty penny. They were touching 200, but they are supposed to last long from what I hear. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the boots. Let me know if you've ever been interested. Does this platform kind of scare you? So yeah, this is my Dr. haul.
Who said that? Who said that? Who is this saying that? Who said that? Who said that?
Jadon boot review. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.